At Mios Health, we help our clients with a customized, multifaceted lifestyle change program. We call it the My Results Protocol. Each of the 9 letters that make up the phrase My Results stands for one of 9 key aspects of your life that scientific research has proven to play a direct role on your ongoing brain health and cognitive function as we age. The 5th letter of My Results is S, and S stands for sleep well. We believe that the brain simply cannot function optimally without adequate sleep. In truth, the brain works hard for us each day and sustains a moderate amount of oxidative stress every day. Normally, the brain heals itself through multiple mechanisms overnight as we experience deep, consistent, lengthy sleep. But as we age, many individuals begin to struggle with various impairments in their sleep quality and sleep duration. At Mios Health, we help you to get to the root causes of your specific type of a sleep impairment and help you to develop consistent routines to ensure that you consistently get both the sleep quantity and the sleep quality that your brain needs to thrive.